Alright, I just want to show you how easy this is. So, this grate, it snaps into this Y fitting really nice. You could just take a screwdriver and do this. So it snaps in. It has a real nice tight fit, but yet, you know, some people just love running a garden hose down these things. And that's okay, because I want all my customers to sleep good at night knowing that there's nothing in there. Now, literally, you can reach down here in the 90 and see that there's, whether there's leaves or not. Now, this homeowner has leaf guards, so I'm not really too worried about this. And it's been my experience, they plug right here, and they plug right there before they ever can do harm down here. So, you know, the shingle gravel is what people worry about. A lot of times they want to pop these out. See, it's nice tight fit. Look at that, fits in there real nice and tight. And again, it ain't nothing, just take a screwdriver, pop that out for a little peace of mind. Just wanted to show you guys, when you're running the Baughman Gold underground and you're using a vent pipe, this is a great clean out as well. And you can see we got high octane with the Baughman Gold. Picked up another Baughman Gold, and we go in the back. You know, I should mention, really make sure you get stone in those tight areas around the pipe. My guys, they really methodically work the stone to get it tucked in. The half-inch stone, the three-quarter-inch stone, that's going to give it all kinds of crazy strength when you pack the pipe in that. And you don't have to put any under it. Just make sure you get it worked in between the pipes. All right, guys, until the next video.